So we got this ice storm a little bit. First hit of winter. This is my backyard. A lot of ice. A lot of ice. It's all over the ground. You can hear it when I walk. It's all breaking. And it's all really wet because it's been raining a lot. A huge new pond in my backyard. Dog likes it. It's fun. It's really deep. Pixar, for her. She chased them. It's really deep. Try and avoid going into it because I don't have boots. I haven't had boots in 3 years. See, it goes. So it stops. I'm getting really close to the end now. You can walk over here. Got water. It's all really wet. Now it's breaking through trees. It's gonna stop soon, but see, still have water. That's where the puppy goes. She gets lots of wet. That's it. Now try and go back over there where I was standing. It's another field behind us. I'm still going all the way over here. There we go. I walked way over there.